So hello guys, what's going on doing there? So welcome again to my next video on YouTube channel of yours. Okay, so let's gonna rock it in this video. So I'm going to talk you something more interesting and knowledgeable information on Python programming language in this video. Okay, so yeah, both many of your people are asking in my comment that please tell me we are not getting Visual Studio Code. Tell us how to do coding online. Okay. So मैंने इसके लिए अब मैं ये बता रहा हूँ मैं आज ऑनलाइन करके दिखाऊंगा कोडिंग ओके सो आई विल डू कोडिंग ऑनलाइन ओके सो करना क्या कुछ नहीं गो टू योर ब्राउजर एंड टाइप ऑनलाइन पाइथन कंपाइलर ओके जस्ट टाइप ऑनलाइन पाइथन कंपाइलर एंड यहाँ पे तुम्हें बहुत सारे मिल जाएंगे these all are Python compiler. Okay, these all are good, but I personally recommend this online GDB. I most of the time I do programming on this um, compiler. Okay, so because it has many functions and let's see its console. So its console looks good. I think I think its console looks good. Okay, so let's select this all. Okay, let's select this all and delete it. So we are doing a fresh program. Okay, so what we can do is, and so what I'm going to teach you today. So I'm just going to teach you today is strings. So what are strings? Okay, so we can see that what are strings. Okay, well, I'm telling that what are strings. So I will actually elaborate to you what is string actually is. Okay, so let's talk about strings. So anything which the Python stores as a information, the we give information when we take input. It is stored as string means any variable. Let's assign a variable that is equals to something. Let's say raw. Okay, let's say raw. This is a equals to raw. So this is the a is the variable in which raw is stored. Okay, a is the variable in which raw is stored. In that case we can say that a is what a is a variable in which raw is stored. So if we type, so how it is storing, so what we call this a, what we call this a. So let's see what we call this a. Print type a. Okay, and run this program. This is string. This is showing the class of this string. Class of A means okay. Note it down. Note it down. This thing. Please note it down. That we use this syntax to check what is the type. Okay, we can change this type. Okay, how can we change this type? I told you in previous video how we did it. Okay, so A equals if we wanna change a equals to raw into integer type, but wait a second, raw is not an integer, so let's see, it will throw error. Let's see, int a, run this program. Yes, it is throwing error, means raw is not an integer. Why are you making integer? Okay, so we can't make a as integer. Okay, so what we can do is we can take any number, for example 2. Okay, we take. So this is before converting, this line is before converting 2 into integer. Okay, this is after converting into integer. So let's again print type a. Let's see what happens. Yes, so we can see before it was string and after converting it to become integer. And yes, it is happened successfully because 2 is an integer. Okay, 2 is indeed an integer. So now I will tell you how to make strings and how can we perform some. Okay, we can add two strings. Okay, string is um, In previous video we have already seen that we can't be able to add 35 and 4 or a big number, whatever the number was. We can't add to those numbers. They just got 354 if 35 and 4 are two numbers. So why was it happen? Because it was storing values. We giving user giving values, it is storing them as string. And string algebraic of string, in string addition operation is different. Okay, so let's see how it is different. Okay, so we did a equals to, okay, b equals 3. Okay, this is the thing we did. Okay, 3. Now we can see that b equals 3. Okay, so let's assume another variable c equals a plus b. So what is expected, what we will expect? Okay, so we will expect a plus b. Okay, okay, 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3 is 5. Let's print c and run this program. Okay, main.py line 8 no module. Line 8 is not in module. Let's see again. Okay, okay, I think some, that's it. Actually what is happening here, we can't add an integer into string. Why this is happening? Let's see, let's find it out. Because we have converted a into integer here, and b is still an string. So string and integer can't be added. So what we do is we just go back, delete this command, and all we do is just comment out. I also told you about commenting out in the previous video. Okay, that how to comment out a whole line and how to comment out multiple lines. Okay, so now let's see what will happen if I run this. So what we expect, 2 plus 3 5, but what actually the Python will return? Let's see what Python is returning us. 23. Oh, 2 plus 3 23. How? Oh, we are solved. Actually there is no way or to get solved here. Actually it is very easy, because Python is storing these values as a string, and string addition of string is slightly different. Okay, so therefore we did this. If we want to add these two values, then we have to convert them into integers. Okay, and I also told you how to convert them in integer. Let's again type this. The format of converting integer was syntax तरह से converting integer is क्या था converting integer का. तो integer कन्वर्ट करने का ये था कि a equals जो भी वेरिएबल हमने असाइन किया है a equals int a. That's it. Okay, this is only this. Okay, um, oh shit, what is happening? Okay, you got it. Oh my god, what the heck. Okay, a equals int a. Okay, that's it. So b equals 3. Okay, I told you to blah, 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 blah. Okay, done. So how to make string? Okay, how can we assign string? So we can assign string by going with a single quote, by double quote, and by triple quote too. Okay, okay, yes, that's it. So it is very easy. Let's assign it by triple variables, triple quotes. So now it's okay. Okay. So now see again. I'm going to the next part, that is what is string, and let's go deeper into strings. Let's tug it out. Let's assume anything, any variable. Let's name equals any name. Let's, okay, this is the name. So how can we convert this into an string? Let's see, this is my string. Okay, this is my string. Now What you want to do is, let's say I have to print you, only you, from this. I can, yes, you are smart. We can print you by using a print command, but I'm saying that we have to, I want to print its fourth letter, I want to print its third letter, I want to print its first letter. So in that manner, okay, we can print, but in this way, I want to print in this way, that I want to take from Rahul value, I want to take value from this. Okay, so what can we do is, so syntax, what is syntax? So let's see how, what is syntax. So print, we have to print, so we print name is name. Okay, this is variable in which value is stored. Rahul is a value. Okay, okay, print name and uh, large bracket, okay, and 0. Okay, now let me tell you what we will get in the run. Okay, let's see. This is R. R means first. Okay, so I wanna say that, what I wanna say is, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So this is the numbering which Python assign automatically. This is the numbering Python assign automatically. Means by default this is the value by default. Okay, we can't change this value. It is by default from inside. So this is the number of value we can take. For example, I wanna print L. Press 4. Okay, and then run. Um, press 4 and then run. Okay, okay, order happening. Oh, she. The 13 line is giving a, we can't actually add any line anyhow, because the our compiler will try to compile this line. It will try to interpret this line, but it will not able to do, because it's just a line. It's not any syntax or anything which can, it can perform by seeing it. That it is the thing which I can compile. That is the this compiler will ask himself. But what can we do is just comment it out. So now let's run. Will it run? So what I'm doing is, I am doing mistakes for you to learn more better. So this is very fruitful and very result oriented. Okay, so this is L we have printed. Wow, it is great. Okay, let's move to next thing. So I want to print a range of value. For example, I want to print HUL. How can I print HUL? Means I want to print from 0 1 to 2 to 4. I want to print this value. So what, how can I print? So for example, print, okay, name, that is the variable in which the value is stored, and I can say 0 1 2 पे है h, so I'll say 2 and then semicolon, and then I can leave blank. Okay, come to blank letter. So put 5, because I will show you why I will show you. Just run this program. Let's see what is going to happen. So this is full. Yep. So what this is? If I see the syntax, then it is like, what is the syntax? Okay, so it is like uh, what it will print. So it will print 2 n minus 1 means 5 is, if 5 is n, then n minus 1 means 4. It means it will print 2 3 4. Okay, are you getting it? It will print 2 3 4 means HUL, because it print one less than the last value. Okay, so okay, this is the thing. Okay, let's print something different. Okay, print. Okay, we can print here only. Okay, we can do here, let's say from 1 to 4. Sorry. Okay, if what if we go out. Okay, let's see, this is AHU. Good to go. So Okay, A here and H U. Okay, this is good because 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 to 1, 2, 3. It will printing. Okay, so now what if I leave it blank? So if I leave it blank, it by default it will take the last value means it will go from 1 to last value. Okay, run this program. Don't believe me, run this program. Yes, we can get. And another thing is, if anyhow, if I have removed the this value 2 and let's say 2, so it means we are going from initial point that is 0, that is r. Let's see what is going to happen. Yes, r a, yes, 0 and 2 minus 1 is 1, so 1 tak hi lega bas ye. Okay, so what if we remove both of the values? Let's see what if. Yes, you actually guessed correctly because no value here from initial point r, no value here to the last point L. It means the whole letter we can get easily. Okay, so this is another things we can see here. Okay, this is quite astonishing, but this is quite good. Okay, let's see to the next value. Okay, next thing, next thing is okay, we did now we did the range of value. We can print range of value, you can print the range of values. Okay, it is going to be very helpful to in your life. Okay, if you are in programming, uh, in your programming. Okay, okay, let's see how to skip values. For example, actually you are thinking that only one word can be the string. Na na na, but na, no no no, you are thinking wrong because Rahul is a good person. Now this is also an string. Actually we can make multiple line string. Come here. And okay, let's print out full stop then. And and he cooks, and he cooks good. Full stop. Okay. So now this is my string. So this is my string. You are thinking, wow, what is this string is? What the heck is going on? Okay, but nothing going on. But this is quite simple. Okay. So now we have R, A, F. These are letters. Okay. So this full stop when it comes, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Let's see we can print full stop or not. 19. Okay. Okay. Let's print this name. And okay, first of all let's see this. 4 पर आना चाहिए, 1 2 3 4 पर यू आना चाहिए. एंड नहीं नहीं 4 नहीं, थोड़ा बड़ा कर लेते हैं, अब तो हमारे पास बड़ा. तो 1 2 3 4 5 कोई रैंडम नंबर मान लेते हैं 15. एंड यहाँ पे देखते हैं कि ये पूरा प्रिंट हो पाएगा. लेट्स सी क्या होगा नेक्स्ट. लेट्स सी. ये तो पूरा प्रिंट हो गया. वाओ 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 वाओ. 15 नंबर नेम इक्वल्स टू 15. 1 second. 15. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 पे आर आना चाहिए. क्या हमें आर मिला कहीं पर? डुप्लीकेट आर यार कहीं नहीं दिख रहा यार मुझे. तुम्हें भी नहीं दिख रहा होगा ना? ये चक्कर क्या फिर? दिखना चाहिए ना. दिखना चाहिए ब्रो. लेट्स रन अगेन. अगेन कुछ तो गड़बड़ है दया. ओके, ऐसे प्रिंट करके देखते हैं. अब यप. It is working fine, I think. By 15 not getting the things. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. 15 पे आर आना चाहिए बट ये आर हमें प्रिंट करके नहीं दे रहा है. लेट्स सी, ये हमें आर प्रिंट करके नहीं दे रहा है. तो फिल इन ओके देखते हैं, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 पे डी आना चाहिए इन दैट केस. What the heck is going on? Why this is not giving any perfect value? Okay, let we will figure it out. But for this case, let's see. Can we print full stop? Just full stop. Can we print it? is that is that easy? This was at 19 now. Okay, 19. Can I type 19 here and then run this program? Yes. यहाँ पे पहुंचा 19 पे तो 20 21 22. देखते हैं. यस यस. थोड़ी तो बढ़ रही, थोड़ी तो हमें आ रहे होंगे ना. बिल्कुल ऐसा फील तो आ रही होगी. यू ऑल्सो विल बी गेटिंग फील दैट वी कैन इवन फुल स्टॉप प्रिंट कर सकते हैं. दिस इज एन स्ट्रिंग एंड वी आर एबल टू प्रिंट अ फुल स्टॉप. So this is the thing I'm talking about. So on 22 we are getting full stop. On 21 we will get end. 21 22 21 20 19 18 17 16 15 पे. Oh, oh god, there was space at 15. Are you getting it? Are you getting it? Are you getting? There was space at 15, so we were getting nothing in 15. Oh, we were confusing what the heck is going on. There is no error, there is nothing. Why this is nothing? There is space. Okay, there was space. Okay, so is this good? um yes, it is very good, it is very interesting, it is very logical. Okay, so today, last thing I got forget to told you. The last thing is how to skip values. Okay, for example, I was this is Rahul is a group from Gab. This is a string we have. Okay, so how can we print this? By skipping some values in between. For example, I want to print but want to skip some values in between. So how can I do it? So is there any syntax for doing it? Yep, it is there. You are lucky, man. You are lucky. Yes, it is there. So how can we do it? Print name, because name is my variable. Okay, and this bracket. Okay. So what gonna we do is space thing space thing. Okay, space. So this is the syntax. Means इधर कोई वैल्यू आएगी, here इधर कोई वैल्यू आएगी. ठीक से देखो यार. एंड इधर से कोई वैल्यू आएगी. एंड 3 वैल्यूज हमें पुट करनी पड़ेगी. ओके, पहली वैल्यू, द फर्स्ट वन. Okay, first one I want to leave blank because I want to go from start. Second one I want to leave blank because I want to finish till start. But this is for finish, this is for initial, and this is for skipping. So let's print out one here and then do run this program. Let's find out what is going to happen. So it is originally printed. Means it's whole get printed. What, nothing changed. What the heck is going on? You will say, what the heck is going on? Okay. So let's see. Because what this mean is, okay, let's do take two and then run this program. We will definitely see the some. We are seeing it. We are seeing it. This is my output. So you are not getting it. Okay, I will tell you what the heck is this. Okay, so for example, we have this statement. Okay, so what I'm saying it that from initial we can take any value from where to where. I don't care about it. I just take to and involve the whole sentence here. To where I don't matter. I don't cares about it to end. Okay, I want to take as long as I can take. Okay, so it means what this hack means, what this number means. Okay, this number means from starting. For example, let me type 0. 0 means first number. यहाँ से start करते हैं. We are starting from here and then print second means 0. इसे पकड़ो फिर 1 2 फिर प्रिंट करो सेकंड वाले को जानेंगे. फिर 1 2 फिर सेकंड वाले को प्रिंट करो, फिर 1 फिर 2 फिर से, तो देखते हैं HLI ऐसा कुछ प्रिंट हो रहा है क्या, देखो देखते हैं ना यार, वेरीफाई करेंगे यार। HLI मैंने क्या बोला, ऐसा कुछ प्रिंट हो रहा है, यस हो रहा है, यानी हम सही कह रहे हैं। ये कर क्या रहा है कि ये R प्रिंट करा इसने, फिर दूसरा नंबर प्रिंट करा, मतलब 1 फिर 2 ये प्रिंट करा, और 1 में क्या हो रहा था, व्हाट वाज हैपनिंग इन 1, it printed R, and then again next number means 1, so 1 it printed A, then printed A H, in this 2 R, then 1 and then 2, then they printed second number. So this is skipping of values. So this was my last concept which I'm going to teach you here. Okay, so we will do more Python in next video. Stay connected, okay, and please subscribe my channel and like this video and share also too, and we'll do more fun in next video. And yeah, you can get to many things related to your interest from this channel, definitely. On this note, I am Hers signing out.